Barabbas found somebody that was the polar opposite of what him sing about. Barabbas snowflake don't match nothing what him talk about, and that is what confused the Gaza girl them, because them hear about bleaching and run go bleach. Them hear about skin out and go draw them eagle eye on the concrete from Negril to St. Thomas. Them hear about dash out this, and them hear about defecate at the eyeball, make it come back out to the ears. Them hear all kind of things from dancehall artists, and them run go follow it. And now the dancehall artists them now wife them. Gaza girl, what do you have to show for it? Me da ask you if you not shame but you not none. Cause the fact say you're a Gaza girl show me say you not none. You're just a tool. As Barabbas said, a sheep. Your job is to just turn up, go him stage show them, make him and Joe Bogdanovich even more money, and then go on with your business, make him go home to him snowflake. Barabbas say, him snowflake not look like no whore, him snowflake don't want look like no whore. Who not talk about? Jamaican woman and for them style.